Chair, again, the second invite, I think I wasn't responsible, therefore I could not make it to the Senate.
Sorry, what did you say about the second invite? Because I think the first invite you indicated you're in China.
Yes.
With the presidential delegation.
Yes, Chairman.
Yeah, the second one?
The second one, Chairman, I think by the time when I arrived, my team had not pulled all the paperwork together. Therefore, I was again engaged in. Chair, I want to report to you that I'm a deputy party leader of my party, the largest party again in this country and the East and Central Africa. We had a function, which again I sought for permission, which I was granted from your desk. I could not make it. Therefore, subsequently, I was looking forward to appear before the committee, which I'm happy that today I'm here, despite the fact there were summons which were issued later on.
You see nothing wrong with non-appearance twice?
Perhaps, Chair, I need the clarification from the governor, because I also happen to be an SG of the largest party in East Africa. Could you confirm what that function was, Governor?
A point of relevance, point of order.
Vice Chair?
Chair, is it in order for us on point of relevance standing orders to discuss about political parties?
Oh, no.
I don't think it is relevant.
Chair, there's a reason I'm asking.
That the ODM party deputy party leader and SG can discuss in central committee meeting.
Chair, with great respect to my colleagues, there's a reason I'm asking that question.
Because the custodian of the calendar.
Yes, and if personally I was...
Chair, are we
just
transforming this committee into ODM meeting?
Chair, can you allow me to just make my point?
Okay.
Yeah, can the governor be guided to only give us the official and recognized excuse why he's not here? I think the issue of parties should not be an issue.
Honorable...
Okay, Vice Chair, and
we are saying the same thing.
I agree with you.
Okay.
We are saying the same thing.
Okay.
Let him confirm what the function was.
Okay.
Just order, Senator Dula? Or you want to...
No, I'm on the same point, but I want to say here that matters of political parties should not be actually brought on the floor of the House or the committee.
Correct.
That is outside the purview of the Senate. Thank you.
Because when we disburse funds to Kisii,
Yes.
we are not disbursing it to the deputy party leader. We are disbursing funds to the people of Kisii to be administered by the governor, who is a governor running a devolved government in the Republic of Kenya. There is never any political party consideration. And I think, Governor, if you are using that as a reason why you didn't come last time, then it's completely out of order, unless there's a better reason. Because for the first reason, I think it was in the public domain that you were in China. And that was clear. It was not a political party thing, it was a national delegation. The last meeting is a meeting that triggered the summons, because from the first meeting we re-invited you, we did not summon you. And it is failure to appear at the second meeting that then